Welcome back, student. In mathematics, today I am going to solve exercise 6F, and I hope you have done exercise 6 in your notebook. So today I am going to solve exercise 6F problem question. 6F problems, page number 55. Page number 55. And problem question. Exercise 6F. First question, you see, at a dog show there were 35 Alsatians. The number of pugs was 18 less. How many pugs were there at the show? So it was the program as show, dog show. So there were 35 Alsatians. Alsatians 35. The number of pugs was 18 less. So Alsatians how many? 35. And the number of pugs was 18 less. Pugs 18 less. 18 less means minus 80. After that, how many pugs were there at the show? Number of pugs in the show. Number of pugs in the show. So you can subtract from 5, it cannot be subtracted, it will take below, it will be 15, 15 minus 8, 7, here 3 has given 1, so here will be 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So 17 pugs. How many? Number of pugs in the, so 17 pugs. 17 pugs. Total 17 pugs. In this way you can solve this. So after that, question number first, you can do second question. How? Liza's grandfather is 61 years old and her aunt is 28 years younger than him. How old is her aunt? So Liza's grandfather is 61 years old and her aunt is 28 years younger than him. How old is her aunt? How old is her aunt? Her aunt is means Liza's aunt is. It is given Liza's grandfather is Liza's grandfather is equal to 61 years. 61 years. Her aunt is equal to 28 years younger. 28 years younger. Means her aunt is 28 years younger. It means her aunt is. How old is her aunt? It means her aunt is equal to question mark. So you can see Liza's grandfather is 61 years and her aunt is equal to 28 years younger than grandfather. You can also write than grandfather. Than grandfather. So what is the age of her aunt. Means her aunt age. Her aunt age means you can subtract 28 from 61. So you can do like that. 61 minus 28. You can subtract 61 minus 28. See, from 1, 8 cannot be subtracted. So it will take borrow from 6. Here it will be 11. 11 minus 8, 3. And here remaining 5 because 6 has given 1. So 5 minus 2, 3. It means her aunt age is 33 years. Her aunt age is 33 years. Means her aunt is 33 years old. So answer will be 33 years. Question number 3. You can see question number 3. Mr. Barua ordered 925 cups of ice cream for his party. At the end of the party, 189 cups were left. How many cups of ice cream did the guests have? Miss, how many cups of ice cream did the guests used? So in this way, total cup of ice cream 925. So Mr. Barua ordered cups of ice cream. Means total cups of ice cream. Total cups of ice cream is equal to 925. 925 ice cream. 925. At the end of the party, 189 cups were left. Cups were left. Cups were left equal to 189. 189. After that, how many cups of ice cream did the guests have? The guest had cups of ice cream. The guests had the cup of ice cream. How many? The guests had the cup of ice cream. How many? So in this way, you can put question mark how many. You can write state like this. You try to write state. If you are doing directly, no matter, you can get marks. But it is particular that you write the state. What is the question? You read the question. After reading question, you find out what is given. You find out what is given. After that, you can try to write like this state. After that, what is asking questions in that question? Means what is asking in that question? You can put question mark here. So you can see total cups of ice cream was 925 and cups were left at last. The party cups were left 189. So how many cups of ice cream did guests used. So you can subtract from 925 minus 189. 925 minus 189. You can subtract this. From 5, 9 cannot be subtracted. 5 in place, so it will take borrow from 2. It will be 15. 15 minus 9, 6. And 2 has given 1. So 2 minus 1, 1 here. From 1 it cannot be subtracted. This one will take borrow from 9. It will be 11. It will be 11. 11 minus 8, 3. Here 9 has given 1, so it will be 8. 9 has given 1, so 100 tens place 2, so it will be here 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 736 cups. So guests used 736 cups. Hence you can also write, hence guests used 736 cups of ice cream. Cups of ice cream. So in this way, 736 cups of ice creams guests used. You can check this also. 9, 6, 15, 5, 1 carry, 8, 3, 11 and 1, 12, 2, 1 carry, 7, 1, 8 and 1, 9. So in this way, you can do in your copy. Last question 4, you can do yourself, as you can write a poultry farm sold 5,392 eggs in a week and it sold 1,587 less eggs. Less eggs means this number must be subtracted. So 1,587 less eggs the next week. How many eggs did it sell the second week? So how many eggs did it sell in the second week? So you can subtract 1,587 from 5,392. So in this way you can do yourself as question number 4. And question number 5 I will explain tomorrow. You can try today to do. Thank you.